In this video, we listed the 5 best kids drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. New M33 MAX Drone. The XIAOMI camera drone is a compact, foldable drone designed for ease of portability and aerial photography. It features a built-in 4K HD camera with adjustable shooting angles, offering high-quality video recording options including 1080p and 720p. Equipped with advanced functionalities such as altitude hold mode, optical flow stabilization, and a 6-axis gyroscope, the drone ensures smooth and stable flight performance. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time photo and video transmission through mobile apps, and includes intelligent features like one-button return, flight path drawing, and headless mode. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency with anti-jamming technology, the drone offers a maximum flight time of 20 minutes and a remote control distance of up to 150 meters. Additional features include LED lights for night flying, a removable 3000 mAh battery, and a gimbal image stabilizer for enhanced camera performance. Certified with CE standards, this lightweight drone, 174G, is ideal for aerial photography enthusiasts and comes equipped with GPS for precise navigation. Number 2. Lenovo V88 Drone. The Lenovo V88 Drone is a lightweight, compact camera drone from Lenovo, designed for aerial photography and video recording. It features an 8K HD camera with optical flow positioning, electronic image stabilization, and a servo gimbal for enhanced stability and clarity. The drone offers a range of advanced functionalities, including altitude fixing, gesture photography, customizable flight routes, and 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. It is equipped with a 3.7V 2200 mAh intelligent lithium battery, providing up to 45 minutes of flight time, and utilizes brushless motors for better performance and longevity. The drone supports a control distance of up to 5,000 meters and features connectivity options such as an app controller, remote control, and Wi-Fi. It supports multiple languages in its app and offers video recording in resolutions up to 4K HD, with additional features like headless mode, one-key return, and anti-interference technology. The package includes the RC quadcopter, remote control, spare propellers, a USB charging cable, and other essential accessories. Its foldable design makes it portable and easy to handle, while its lightweight construction ensures compliance with aviation control regulations. Number 3. XD1 Pro Mini Drone. The Xiaoqi Mini Camera Drone is a lightweight, portable drone originating from mainland China, designed for users aged 14 and above. Weighing just 60 g, it features a compact 12 by 12 by 7 cm build and offers a flight time of up to 12 minutes with a 3.7V 600 mAh battery. Equipped with altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and headless mode functionalities, it ensures stable and user-friendly operation. The drone includes a built-in high-definition camera with options for 4K, 6K, or 8K resolution, enabling aerial photography and real-time video transmission via Wi-Fi connectivity to mobile apps. It supports 4 control channels and a remote distance of up to 100 meters, allowing for versatile movements such as 360 degrees rolls and autonomous flight paths. With a durable alloy structure, 6-axis gyroscope for smooth flights, and features like dual lens switching and manual lens adjustment, this drone is ideal for capturing stunning aerial views. The package includes the drone, remote control, battery, USB cable, spare fan blades, a screwdriver, and instructions. Number 4. E88 Pro Drone. The E88 Pro Drone 4K HD camera is a foldable, lightweight, and versatile quadrotor helicopter designed for both beginners and experts. Featuring a 4K wide-angle HD camera with dual camera functionality, it supports high-resolution photo and video capture, 4096 by 2016, and real-time Wi-Fi image transmission via an app, making it ideal for aerial photography. With a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes and a remote control range of 80 to 100 meters, it offers features such as altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, trajectory flight, gesture recognition for photos, and smart follow. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery with a charging time of about 60 minutes. It includes anti-wind capability, obstacle avoidance, and operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency for anti-interference. Compact and portable, the drone is easy to carry and comes with a storage bag, remote control, USB charger, spare blades, and an instruction manual. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, it caters to users aged 14 and above, offering a ready-to-go experience with advanced features in a durable plastic build. Number 5. Xiaomi V30 Mini Drone. The Xiaomi 4DRC V30 Mini Drone is a compact, foldable drone designed for both beginners and experienced users, offering advanced flight capabilities and intuitive controls. It features 5-sided obstacle avoidance for safe navigation, dual camera options, 1080p or 4K, for stunning aerial photography, and optical flow positioning for enhanced stability. The drone includes features like altitude hold mode, headless mode, one-key return, and customizable flight routes for a seamless flying experience. With a lightweight yet durable construction, it supports Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time image transmission and offers a flight time of approximately 15 to 18 minutes. The package includes a remote controller, spare propellers, a rechargeable 3.7V 1800 mAh battery, and other accessories, making it portable and easy to use. With its 2.4 GHz technology, 3-level flight speed, and for channel controls, this drone is perfect for capturing high-quality footage on the go.